Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to undo in Blockbench. Undo is essential for fixing mistakes quickly while modeling or animating. For example, if you accidentally adjust a vertex the wrong way like this, you can easily revert it. To undo your last action, press Ctrl plus Z on your keyboard. You can press it multiple times to step back through previous actions. Undo works across all tabs, including Edit, Paint, and Animate. To redo an action, press Ctrl plus Y. Keep in mind that you can't redo an edit once it has been overridden by a previous undo. And that's how to undo in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.